Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth video of Apache Tomcat server series. My name is Shubham, and in this video we're going to see how you can do the deployment of web application in Apache Tomcat server. So there are basically three ways we can do the deployment of the web application in Apache Tomcat server. These are the hard deployment, console deployment, and the tool-based deployment. So for this console deployment and tool-based deployment, we're going to see in the next sessions. For in this session, we're going to see how you can do the web application deployment in a hard deployment way. Okay, so in hard deployment way, you can do the deployment in two ways. That is, you can deploy either your web application direct web directory, or you can just deploy your WAR file. Okay, so let us discuss about this two ways of deployment in hard deployment method. Okay, so here I'm having this one date servlet web application. So it is just a simple web application, okay, which is having one date servlet class. The deployment for this web application. So how I can do that? So the first thing is I'm copying this directory, copy it. Now I'm going to the Tomcat home. Then you are going to find here web apps folder. Okay, so you just need to open this web apps folder. Now paste your directory. Okay, so this is how you can do the deployment of your direct web application directory in Tomcat 10 server in a hard deployment way. So this is how simple it is. So let me just start my server. Okay, my server is starting. Okay, so server is started. Now I'm going to the okay, now I'm going to the like here. Okay, so here I need to pass the local host name 8080. Now I'm passing the web application name, which is date servlet. Okay, so here I have not configured any welcome file, so I'm passing the URL of the servlet class. Okay, so this is date servlet. Okay, so spelling is incorrect here. Servlet. Okay, so here you can see that your application is perfectly deployed in your web server, Apache Tomcat web server, and it is running exactly fine. So now your second way of our deployment is through the war file deployment. Okay, so for this you first need to create a war file of your web application. Okay, so here is your web application. For to create a war file, for this you just need to open the command prompt. Okay, so here you need to type this command jar -cvf. So you're going to find this command in the internet anywhere, no problem in that. So here you need to provide the name for your um, var file, so dateservlet.var, and all the files and folders inside this directory. Okay, so my var file is created, so I'm cutting this, just cut it, go to the Apache Tomcat home, then again to the web apps folder. So I'm deleting my old web application directory. Okay, so delete, yes. So now paste it here, var file. Okay, so your var file deployment is done. Okay, to make sure that nothing goes wrong, I'm going to close my web server first. Okay, so now after that I'm again opening my again starting my web server. Okay, web server is starting. Okay, started. Now I'm going to the web browser, again opening another window, localhost 8080 slash var file name, which is date servlet slash URL. Okay, so now you can see that your var file deployment is successful and running very fine. Okay, so this is how you can do the var file deployment in a hard coded way. So let me show you one more thing here. So whenever you deploy your var file in Tomcat server in a hard coded way, so this this var file will be extracted whenever your Tomcat server is started. So here you can see that that file is extracted here with some of its default directory structure. Okay, so this is the thing which is happening when you perform the deployment through war file. Okay, so this is all about for the this video, that is hard deployment of web application in a hard deployment way through the directory deployment and the var file deployment. So thank you for watching this video.